Namaskara, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today, I want to discuss to you about making a good compost with liquid waste decomposer. We have used earlier other waste decomposer, now liquid waste decomposer is full of bacteria, full of some special bacteria like carbon fixing bacteria, your photosynthesis bacteria, and many others bacteria are there. For decomposition, cellulose decomposer bacteria, lignin decomposer bacteria, it is in high population. So use of this liquid waste decomposer is same 100-liter water, take in the plastic drum, 1 kg jaggery and use 1 bottle of liquid waste decomposer. It will multiply in 2 days. So once it multiplies, so how to use in making a waste material rich? So if you have a regular waste coming from your house or coming from your factory, coming from your gausalas, coming from your village, that can be converted in a good compost, good manure. Suppose you have a number of animals, either it is cow, buffalo, your goats, horse, your even elephants, donkey, whatever animals you have, pigs, for commercial purpose or in your house. Their waste, you are throwing it in one corner. I am talking about the large scale. You are putting it one corner every day. So what you have to do, you have multiplied the liquid waste decomposer, keep it in multiply in a large scale. First you multiply in 200, then you keep it multiply in 5,000 liter or 10,000 liter. With the same solution, you can multiply and goes on multiplication lifelong. So when you have taken the material, waste material from your dungs and keeping in one place, tagging it, there you every day you spray the waste decomposer. Just wet it. Suppose today you have tagged, again you put the waste decomposer solution. Tomorrow again you are doing to put the waste, again you put the waste decomposer. Every day if possible, someday if it is left you are outside, you can leave it, there is no harm. But try to put every day waste decomposer solution. And keep the tag 15 days in one place or 30 days in one place. And if it is more tag, just you make a hole, there also you put waste decomposer solution. Then again you change the place, that's just nearby. If suppose one tag is here, then you join to other tag you can put. So one tag what you have 15 days you have put the material and you have put the waste decomposer, liquid waste decomposer. So you keep it as such and second you start putting the waste and liquid waste decomposer. It goes on putting. So this first tag will be ready at 30 days. Animal waste, it decomposes very quickly. Starting it will take 30 days, 32 days if you are not turning. But if you are turning it, if you are able to commercial purpose, if you turn it, every 15 days put the liquid waste decomposer, it will ready in 20-25 days. Depends upon the outside temperature. If it is winter, it is some 2-3 days more, 1 week more you can take. But in summer it will less. But the area where just like Chennai, just like our Bangalore or Andhra, where temperature is not very high, there it multiply very quickly. So it doesn't require any layering of the tag. When you are putting the everyday this waste decomposer, it automatically get layer, and because it is a total cold process, again I tell you, it contains carbon fixing bacteria, it contains cellulose decomposer bacteria, it contains lignin decomposer bacteria. So decomposer is fast with the help of enzyme. it doesn't release much carbon dioxide, doesn't release your acetylene gas outside. What people are claiming, any other process you are doing, it is lot of release of gases is there. People say if one day, if it is quickly multiplying, it will lot of release of this, gases will be there. Simple things. If you are doing a longer decomposition, suppose 5 months, 6 month decomposer, well, it will not release the same amount of gas. It will release more, because when it is longer period, nitrogen will be evaporated fast, volatile will slowly release, your nutrition will come down. It will never increase. I challenge it. You decompose the waste decomposer material with waste decomposer and do your traditional work, what you are doing it. It will be vast difference. 100% difference will be there in nutrient content. You do the things and test it in the laboratory. In case where you are doing with the liquid waste decomposer, because it contains carbon fixing bacteria, it takes atmospheric carbon dioxide and fix it in the material, in manure. Your manure will be 20% more rich organic carbon than your others people are suggesting. You can do it. There is no required any management. I again told you, put it outside. Either it is sun rays or it is your rainy season, any whatever conditions, you put it, no need of any management. It will decompose and nutrition will be very high. Again I repeat, same material you do and see the results. Test it in any laboratory, national, international. Don't send it in nearby laboratory. Send it in NABL lab and test it. You will find very good results. It is a reply to the persons who is confusing the people. They are telling take our decomposer material of 1 kg and do decompose 1 ton material. Take some other materials in other form and do it 1 ton. Why I have to do 1 ton? When we are getting this material for use to years, so why we have to go for the expending of money? You try it, liquid waste decomposer. Once you multiply and continue multiply, make a manure and compost in your house. Results will be tremendous. You can test it, release of carbon dioxide, how much carbon dioxide released with this. It is a standard test, absorbing this gas with potassium hydroxide. It has done by very renowned scientist in ICR, in Modipuram, Dr. Ravi Shankar, Dr. Das and their directors, and they have got very good results. Release of carbon dioxide evaporation is less. Total report I have not got, but I have visited personally there and I have put the video also. So this is confirmed. When you are using this liquid waste decomposer, your nutrition value will be high, nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, minerals, carbon, organic matter will be very high. So this is the matter which is incomparable. As I told you, this bacteria is especially isolated from our cow dung, cow urine, nilgai, and that are doing tremendous work. So this cellulose decomposer, lignin decomposer, what it helps? Whatever the hard material, hardest material is our sugarcane leaves, your parali, straw, wheat straw, your this paddy straw, this is the hardest material. There also you can put this waste decomposer material, this solution, it will multiply in 42 days. People are claiming it is 10 days, 20 days, it is 42 days is outside. But when you are doing the mulching with the soil using waste decomposer, Certainly it will 20 to 30 days. 20-21 days we have seen with rotor and cutting. But simply spraying any waste decomposer solution, or any of the people are claiming solution, simply spray and decomposing your straw, impossible. They are just cheating the people, just misguiding the people. It is never happen. It required moisture, because you know our straw and this our leaves, these are contains wax. So water will not absorb. When water is not absorbed, where is get the water? So it needs mulching with the soil, it needs cutting with the soil, or simple way for good decomposition, you mix with your any cake, mustard cake or any other cake, 5 kg cake as I already demonstrated. 5 kg cake, take is any cake, whatever available, mustard cake, your groundnut cake or your Kanjania cake, any cake is there, 5 kg you take, mix with the liquid waste decomposer solution, 100 liter, and keep it 2 days, and that material you spray. Along with that, you can also use some of the dung, any dung. So that will create the moisture and decomposition will be faster, because nitrogen and minerals would help in decomposition system. People are using urea. So here it will total removal of urea. No need of urea, a single drop in decomposition. It will help, it will decompose. If it takes 1 day, 2 days more, doesn't matter, because you are doing 100% organic, and your manure will be highly rich in the nutrition value, and when it is decomposed, you will see it is just like our tea powder. Tea powder you will never get with any decomposition system, it takes years to get it. But here you are getting it, whatever the hard material is there. As I told you, hardest material is our sugarcane leaves. So that when you are putting in the field itself, when you are using this waste decomposer, continuously use it, spray it, you will see it will decompose nicely, it will generate the earthworms. When you are doing with the liquid, it will, different type of earthworm will come. Size of the earthworm will be 2.5 feet. You can see, one of my farmer, he is reported in the Maharashtra, Mr. Sarkar, Datta Sarkar. He got the good earthworm with decomposition of liquid waste decomposer. So this will happen with you also. You can decompose any material. So tagging is not required. Simply you can pour the material and all the bacteria is inside, hormones are inside, that will take care. How to test it? You can put the one temperature inside, temperature meter, and see the temperature. It will never increase more than your atmospheric temperature. So that is indicator, it is slow, your cold process, but fast process. So release of gas, release of environment, it is giving the benefit to the environment, not harming anywhere. The people who claims wrong, it is just their mindset. They are not done anything. They are using himself, but misguiding the people for sake of their own interest. It is not welfare of the farmer. They are seeing the welfare of their own. So please do yourself. Test it anywhere, any laboratory, national, international, and see the magical results with the liquid waste decomposer, which you will never get with other things. This will decompose everything. Coir pith, which is the hardest material, it takes long time, that will also decompose with it. All the plant material decompose with it. All the plant material, as I suggested, every time you keep it in the field only. So decomposition, you do, some video I have attached, that you can see people are using it and they are getting it benefit in in Punjab, one of farmers, he is using decomposition in the house, and same material he is using in the field. He has a quinoa farm. Now you see the quinoa. So when you are multiplying the material, if you are producing in-house, you give minimum 20 kg of your manure in each plant. Every time you see the results. When you are putting all the nutrition, when you are putting the liquid waste decomposer, results are tremendous. And any waste material you can be decomposed with this, which is biodegradable. Don't, again I repeat, don't come in the confusion with any people which give the liquid form, different name, Amrit, doctor or anything, they are claiming it. Everything contains liquid waste decomposer, prepared culture from the drum. It is not other thing. There is no other things. Why I am telling? Because these things I started 3 years back only. People has come with mushrooming it. So it's all are, people are misguiding it. They are selling in a very high cost. You use liquid waste decomposer single bottle and do it multiplication years to years, either it is your kitchen waste or your field waste or your animal dung waste. Any waste can be decomposed with this, with your 32, maximum 42 days. With management is less. Without management, just simply spraying and keeping it 42 days. So I hope you will also get the benefits. And if you are going for testing, getting the results, anything positive or negative, kindly share with me and send your videos for the benefit for the other my farmers. And again I request you, please use this waste decomposer for all types of decomposition material. Without this mixing, it is not possible, not getting a good your manure or compost. Thanks. This is the cow dung. In fact, this is animal dung and it can be converted into good manure without any infrastructures or labor cost. In a large scale, this waste should be stacked at one corner. It doesn't require layer by layer. Like this stack, you can spray, put the waste decomposer, liquid waste decomposer, and make some holes in between the dung so that it can reach in middle. It doesn't require any management. Only thing is, when you are dumping this dung or any waste, you have to put one by one. Suppose 20 days you are putting the waste. After 20 days, you have to change the place so that it gets time to decompose properly. In fact, as you have put the first waste bottom side and slowly day by day you are putting the waste, and every material when you are putting is tagging it, you have to put the waste decomposer nicely. It should be wet. So after 30 days you will see from the bottom side black color manure you will get. Now after 15 days you can put another stack like this and put liquid waste decomposer every time. So it should be continue up to 15 days. After 15 days you can again change one more stack, you can put like this, and here also you put continuous waste decomposer just to wet it. You will find without any labor, without any effort, this material will be converted in a good manure. As this liquid waste decomposer release the lot of organic acid, hormones. So process is very good, fast, but doesn't release the carbon dioxide or methane gas. In fact, if you are using liquid waste decomposer, it fixes atmospheric carbon dioxide in the manure, and your manure minimum 15 to 20% organic carbon will be more. That you can test any laboratory and you'll find the same. At maturity, you will find it is totally black and just like tea powder. So that indicates it is fully matured. You can see the farmer in Punjab, he is using the liquid waste decomposer and decomposing the all waste material which he have, mainly that is plant waste as well as animal waste. What he do, he just tag every material at one place, and he is also putting the straw, wheat straw, and spraying this waste decomposer liquid regularly. Just making sure it has to be completely wet. After that, he just leave it stack for 35 days. Sometimes it is ready at 30 days and sometimes it takes about 35 days. So regularly he is following the process and he is making a very rich organic manure. As we know, this contains liquid waste decomposer is a very powerful bacteria, cellulose and lignin decomposer bacteria, which act fast, and our straw contains 33% of our cellulose, so which is hard to decompose. But with the help of this liquid waste decomposer, it is able to decompose it in 35 days. And the same thing he is using in the plants, that is fruit plant. You can see the flowering. Not only using this waste, crop waste or animal waste. Besides this, he is also using some cakes. So, micronutrient also you can put on this waste. Deep extract also you can put. Moreover, the micronutrient made from the waste decomposer will give you extraordinary manure, very powerful manure. In fact, place of tons, you can, the kgs, you get